Good day everyone, I welcome you all to our third free Canva class. As you all know me, my name is Emmanuel. So now today we are going to be learning how to create a air flyer design. Let us head straight to the class. Let me show you. This I'll come to our Canva here. I will actually show you the size. Let me just come in. The size I use for the design. Is it? This is the size I use for the design. The width is 736 and the height is 1104. You grab. So now let me just start. First, I have to import what I will import is our background. Or let me just start from beginning. I will start from choosing the custom size and let me just look at it again. 1104 and 736. So let me just come to home. One one zero four one one 736. Create new design. So now the first thing I'm going to do is what? Uploading the background. So I'm just going to come here. I'm going to be needing this. I'm going to import this one and the background. This the background. Let me just import everything I want to use. It was so the design sound has to be. Just click on pause to create any page. This is the when I first I'm going to what's important of is the 20 dot. So that's what I'm going to and just rotate it. Just like this. So now then just bring the design rotate over way. Able to replicate it. This is the design we're going to be using. That's called Elira Beauty Service. So now the first thing I'm going to start reading is our text. It says click on add a heading. Elira. Sorry. Elira. That's the first thing I did here. Then I bring it to the top and widen it. Then I change the color to something very light. Let me let me for something cream. I need for a cream color. This one I leave for a cream color. This cream color. Then I widen it a bit more. And the font I use here is Monsterrat. Look at let me show you. Monsterrat. And I use extra bold. So that's the font I use here. Can I shift this one to the side a bit? So now the second I added is beauty and air. Beauty and air is the second time. That means I'll click on subheading. Beauty and air. And the font I use for that one is this font called Amosera. That's the font I use. If you want to search for it, you can also click on search here. Amosera. You see it. I don't think I get the name. Is it here? Amoresa, I mean Amoresa. That's it. This one. That's the font I use. And I change the color to color white. That's what I want to use it for this one. Just look for that one. Now the one I use here is Brittany. Let me search for it. Brittany. Bri Brittany. That's the spelling. So now next I'm going to be adding is the image, the girl. Let us come to pictures. Or let me add this thing first, the shape and other stuff first before I add the girl picture. So I'm going to come to shapes. Come to shapes here. Just pick a square and add it here. Particular of this, what's going on? And just add it here. Next, I'm going to add in is our service. Let me just shift some down a bit. Now, the next thing I'm going to add in is our service. Just like I can just come this one, just duplicate this one, consider add it here. Just duplicate this one, duplicate it, then up it, up it, size it. Just I'll change the corner to 50, widen it a bit. Just I choose a color that is lighter so it can be visible to the background. So and next time I just duplicated this shape. Let me bring this one down a bit. Let me crop it a bit. So hide the shape and change the corner to 1. Zimbabwe. Just shift onto a bit, the corner a bit. Just like this one. So next I'm going to be adding is the text that's there. So let's come to text and come to subheading. Subheading. Click on our service. and I change the font to Montserrat. And I change the color to color white. I'm gonna assume this. Now the next thing I'm going to be is adding the text. This text. That white thing I see under that shape is this thing. Just show you here. I added this style. And I also put this through to something like 4 and I change the color to white. Color white. So that's the thing right now under shape. So now this stop, I'm going to add in the hairstyling. Let me just bring it here so I can be able to see very well. Or you can ask ChatGPT that it give you list of hairstylist service. And just add it here. Just come to text, come to subheading, hairstyling. I went down to my bring it up. And then let us code adding all the text finish. So the next thing I just come to is this place. I'll come to click on text, then click on this thing. So everything will go to behind. So that all the text won't be at the center. They will go at the left side. So then just make them smaller. And I'll change the font to Montserrat. I use the medium. So the next thing I came to is this place. I came to this place, this element, and I search for arrow under shape. I search for arrow. This one, this arrow I added. Then I just make it smaller. I'm also gonna change the color to something lighter so it can be very visible. Let me just say I choose a something more lighter, sha. Yellow. Now zoom to it. So now I'm done with that one already. Now I'm moving on to the next thing I'm going to do now is adding the images that's under here. The images, all these air images and this text under. So the first thing did was to divide the line. And what I did here was this thing. I came to element and search for line. Search for line. Line. This line I search for line first. It even brings from I search for line. Then I came here and make it straight. Just shift it down a bit. Then I duplicated the same line also for the location and the other one. And I just but I change the color to color black. But I think I'm going to leave this one to color white. I'm leaving this one as color white so to be more. So let me just shift this one down a bit. It's too. So now I'm going to add, next time I'm going to add is now is the images. I browse them here. So let me just bring them here like this. Come in, start with the first one, crop it a bit, shift it up, and resize it, let it be very small. The second one too, go the same size. Then I just follow, make sure you follow my step. I'm trying to make them all of them the same size. So one who's bigger than the other. So this one also come here, crop it, make it small. What I did again was adding this sort of the call style. Added to round about them. I change the color to color white. So also the same thing, color white. This one also the same thing. Now next time I'm going to add this now is the location and other stuff. But let me first add the gear behind this place first. This one. See what I did here. Then I come to this place, flip here, and I click on flip horizontally. See now I switch to the other side, and that's it. And I'm just going to come to this place where we call position and send to back. So to be at the back of that, you see now, and that's it. So the next thing I'm going to do now is adding of the location. Just add any random location on your head. It don't be like exactly like my own location there. And you can add your own phone number and post it on status. Let people see that you are a designer already. Show you grab. You can add your own phone number there and let people see that you are a designer. So I'm going to be adding the location now and the phone number. And thus, I'll come to element and search for location. Let me first move away from shapes. Let me look for, also search for location. You see, anyone with crown means that it's for premium users. So if you click it, it will not, you might not be able to export it. Otherwise, if you export it, the location will have watermark. So just use the one that does not have that crown. It's not like this one does not have crown around it. So you can just click on that one. Sorry, click on it, change the color to color white, then resize it. So I'm going to be adding any random address on my head. I'm not going to be using the exact address, just any random address on my head. Because this is not a client work, it's not for customer. So just go to click on edit. That says just the number 10 Magboro. And that's all. Don't go to just make sure not long. Only just put Magboro off Express Road, Ogun State. Now next thing I'm going to come here is search for WhatsApp icon. I'm going to be adding our number. So now 090. There are a lot of Canva features I don't want to mention here. There's a lot of Canva Pro tips that I don't want to mention here. But if you want to know about it, you can DM me. I will give you the price for my masterclass. That's for those people that want to upgrade and know more. So now this is the end of this design here, and thank you for attending. We shall meet in the next class. Peace out. So now just click on export, and you have to just make sure you click on this page. Don't click on all. It will download all the three pages here. Make sure you click on this exact page, then download, and your design is saved. Peace out.